G'day guys, Greg here. Now, take a look what's going on here. I'm getting a new kitchen installed, so I don't have anything to cook on. Although I do have the air fryer, so today I thought I'd make my special air fried hot dog. These things are super easy to make. Let me show you how it's done. So for today's hot dog, I'm using some hot dogs. I've got some bread rolls here. I have got some tomato sauce, some sauerkraut, burger pickles, and some butter. Oh, and let's not forget some cheese. So for starters, you want to grab your hot dog, or footy frank, as this one is. We'll chuck it in the old air fryer. And I want to cook that for about 8 minutes. Just at 180 is fine. And then we'll come back when that's done. Now in the meantime, while that hot dog's cooking, let's grab our bun and we'll cut that in half. Spread that wide. And of course we'll grab some butter. We'll stick some butter on here because, well, we all know the benefits of butter. I think the ancient Romans used to use butter as to give to their gods for prosperity. All right, so that 8-minute timer's gone off, and you can see the sausage there. It's got quite a lot bigger. It gets very excited during the cooking process. But now what I'll do is I'll stick these bread rolls in there. And I'll just cook that for another 1 minute. Let that butter melt throughout that bun. Ooh yeah! Alright, so now that cooking's done. Now unfortunately the bun broke in half. I really didn't want that to happen, but it has. So tough luck. So now what you can do actually is you can put some cheese on this and stick it back in the air fryer for like a minute or something. But because this is broken in half, I won't. But what I will do is get this hot dog. Oh, cheese! Right, put that there. I'll get some sauerkraut, because I do love some sauerkraut on a hot dog. Spread that across. Ooh, yum. Yum diddly scrumptious. Now we're talking. Ooh, yeah. Yumma. Yippee-yi-yi. Ooh, yeah. Okay. And now, let's get some... I've got some burger pickles. These things are really good. They taste really nice on a hot dog too. So we'll get some burger pickles. And we'll spread those across the top as well, if I can get it off that fork. It doesn't want to leave. It knows its fate, probably. That's why it's sticking there. And now all we do is finish it off with some tomato sauce. If it wants to come out. Right, let me just undo it a bit more. Right, okay. Ah, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. And some American mushroom and buff. There you go. The air fryer hot dog. This is the open sandwich version of the hot dog. Anyway, oh yeah, that's looking much better now, doesn't it? Now be careful, that hot dog will be hot. Hence the name. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. I've been eating this every day for like a week. And I'm still not sick of it because it tastes so good. Anyway, there you go. air fryer hot dog. Next time you're getting your kitchen renoed, keep your air fryer out because it'll come in handy. Anyway, I hope this video lesson on hot dog cooking came in handy today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a hot dog. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food